Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday, and we're going to be starting a new lesson today. We just got through with our mid-chapter check, and so we're going to start a new lesson. It's about inequalities. Inequalities. So, inequalities is that word that starts with the I. It's Inequalities. Inequalities. All right, and so we've worked with those before. So I'm just going to give you an example of what you're going to be working with here in this lesson. We have this symbol right here, and this symbol right here is the less than symbol, right? It's less than is fewer than. Okay, so we can say is less than is fewer than. We've used that before, comparing numbers and integers, right? So example 3 is less than 5. Okay, remember the mouth always goes towards a bigger number. This symbol right here is greater than. It's greater than. It's more than. Okay. 8 is greater than 4. We know that. All right. And so I want to introduce you here. This right here, this symbol, it looks like a less than, but there's a line underneath it, and that means less than or equal to. Okay. So this with the line underneath it, the less than symbol, and it's kind of like halfway between a less than symbol and an equal sign, because the equal sign has two lines. Well, it's kind of like halfway, right? All right, and so that means less than or equal to, and then the greater than sign with the line underneath is greater than or equal to. Okay, so we're going to be using those and during this and comparing numbers and equalities. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of what we're going to be doing today. Let me erase this here. All right, and let's scroll down. Okay, so for this example, it says on the given values of the given values, excuse me, 6, 7, or 8, determine which value, so determine which one of these makes the inequality f plus 2 less than 9 true. Okay, so we have these values, excuse me, we have 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we're going to see which one of these values or numbers makes f plus 2 less than 9 true. So f is our variable, and so that's what we're going to plug in. We're going to use these values for f. So instead of f, we're going to do 6, 7, and 8 and see which one makes this true. All right, let me write a different color here. All right, so f, first I'm going to use 6. Let's use 6. So 6 plus 2, is that less than 9? Well, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 is less than 9. So yes, 6 makes it true. All right, let's try 7. 7 plus 2 less than 9. No, that is not true because 7 plus 2 equals 9, and 9 is not less than 9. Okay, so 7 doesn't work. And let's check 8. 8 plus 2 less than 9. 8 plus 2 is 10, so it is not less than 9. So 8 does not work either. Okay, so it looks like the values that were given, the only value that makes this inequality true is 6. 6 would be our answer. Here's another example. Is the given value a solution of the inequality? Okay, so the given value is 4, right? Because they say x equals 4. So our equation here is x plus 3 is greater than 9. Okay. Well, they tell us what x is. X is 4, so I'm going to substitute 4 for x. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is greater than 9. All right. 4 plus 3 is 7, and it is not greater than 9. That is not true. Okay. So is the given value a solution of this quality? Your answer would be no. Let's look at this example. All right, so same thing. We have to find out if the value that is given, if it makes this inequality true. So the inequality is this part right here that I'm making a square around, or rectangle. This is the inequality, okay? So we have 12. It says 12 is less than or equal to, 18 minus y. Okay. Well, they give us a value of 6, y equals 6, so we're going to put that in, substitute that in. So I'm going to rewrite this. 12 is less than or equal to 18 minus 6. Well, 18 minus 6 is going to be 12. So 12 is less than or equal to 12. That is true. 12 is less than or equal to 12. So that would be yes. The value given does make this true. The value given was 6. Y equals 6, so we put 6 in place of y. 18 minus 6 is 12. So therefore 12 is less than or equal to 12. Now, if it was just 12 is less than 12, no, that wouldn't work. That wouldn't make sense, right? But since there's that 12 less than or equal to 12, then that would be correct. So it's yes. Okay, it's going to be the last example. Let's see, it says 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x. Okay, is this true? Is the value that they give, does it make this inequality true? The inequality here is 17 greater than or equal to 11 plus x. Okay, they give us the value of x equals 8. So 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x. Oh, I'm sorry. Plus, instead of x, what we're going to do is we're going to put 8. Because we're substituting 8 for x, because x equals 8. All right, and so 11 plus 8 is 19. 17. Is 17 greater than or equal to 19? No, that is not true. Not true. So the value that they give for this inequality does not make it true. So your answer would be no. It is not true.